In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Knox Junior School won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Knox Junior School and Bible knowledge. Which man was given a name which means father of many nations?
Abraham.
Abraham.
Correct. Chetwood. Which man had his name changed to Israel?
Joshua.
Incorrect, it's Jacob. Knox. Science. What is a name for the tough elastic bands that connect human bones and provide stability?
Ligament. Ligament.
That's correct. Chetwood. What is a name for the smooth rubbery tissue that covers human bone surfaces, reducing friction?
Cartilage.
That is correct. Local affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Tova Hamilton.
Tova Hamilton.
Correct. Chetwood. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Damian Crawford.
Incorrect, it's Orlando Terrelong. Knox, English language. What tense is used in this sentence? I will be going to the movie tomorrow.
Future continuous tense.
Future continuous tense.
Correct. Chetwood, what tense is used in this sentence? I went to church last Sunday.
Past tense.
Past tense.
Correct. Television, another visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character. This is for Knox.
Slinky Dog.
Slinky Dog.
Correct. Chetwood, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Mrs. Potato.
Incomplete, it's Mrs. Potato Head. Knox, general knowledge. Which billionaire is the owner of the social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter?
Elon Musk.
Elon Musk.
Correct. Chetwood, which billionaire is the founder of the social media platform Meta, formerly known as Facebook?
Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg.
That is correct. Social studies. What type of milk is mainly used in the Jamaican dish rundown? Knox.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Correct. Chetwood, the head and intestines of which animal is the main ingredient in Jamaica's mannish water?
Goat.
That is correct. Music for Knox. What is another name for the G clef in music?
Treble clef.
Treble clef.
Correct. Chetwood. What is another name for the quaver in music?
Quavery.
Please repeat.
Quaver.
That is incorrect. It's the 8th note. Knox, mathematics. What is 11,254 rounded to the nearest hundred?
11,300.
11,300.
That is correct. Chetwood, what is 16,987 rounded to the nearest 10,000?
17,000.
Incorrect. It's 20,000. Sports, this is a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Knox.
Kishane Thompson.
Kishane Thompson.
Incorrect. It's the Olympian Asafo Powell. Chetwood, look at the monitor and identify this person. Knox, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Megan Tapper.
Megan Tapper.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Knox Junior School on 10 and Chetwood Memorial Primary on 4. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Celebrate small wins like finishing a chapter or solving a tough problem to keep yourself motivated. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.